Good morning, Amelia. Today is Tuesday, January 5th.
Any way the wind blows doesn't really matter to me.
Well, actually, it's Monday, January 4th. What's this? Gracie being proactive and filming the day early? I've actually never done that. So today I'm just being good, I guess. Today I'm going to be talking about books and writing. Not writing of books, heaven forbid. I could never do that. I can't believe you managed to do NaNoWriMo like twice. So writing, me and my mom are doing this program, or that she's done it before, but I haven't, where from February 1st to February 10th, you write 1,000 words every day. And it's really hard. So I've been writing a lot, so it's that on top of homework. I'm just lacking time to do stuff. And then books. At the beginning of the year, I mentioned that I want to read 50 books in 2013. And I've been keeping track. I've been making a list to make sure I read lots of books. And a while ago, I finished my 10th book. I want to talk about some of the books I really liked. I really liked Perks of Being a Wallflower. I really liked it. I just really liked it. Now whenever I find myself overthinking things, thinking that is probably because of that book. Two of the books I read were John Green books. Now I've read every John Green book. Because before I read most of them, but I hadn't read Will Grayson or Let It Snow. I don't know if you count Let It Snow, but I do. I'm trying to think of other books I've read. Well, it's probably not very interesting anyways. I'm just saying that, just giving you an update on my New Year's resolution. So, because I'm pretty ahead, I don't know how many books I'll end up reading. Maybe if I complete my goal, I'll have to adjust it to make it harder. How are you doing accomplishing your goal? Your goal is to keep up with this, and you're doing better than I am, so kudos to you. So I have an idea for how the challenge system would work. Like if you complete a challenge, you get a challenge point. So then when you're even challenge point, you don't have to take it. But if someone has a challenge point more than you, then you have to take their challenge no matter what. Does that make sense? So right now we're even on challenge point ground. But I could change that. And I'm planning on changing that. I'll give you two challenge options. I would challenge you to do the boyfriend tag, but you're already too cushy, sorry. I challenge you to do an impersonation of a nerd fighter. That could be any a nerd fighter tuber, or any of those people. If you don't want that challenge, I'll give you another challenge. I challenge you to make a music video, not like a music video, but make a video that has music playing in the background, or whatever, where you put stuff on your head. So my mom left on Saturday night, and then my dad has to go offshore for 2 days or whatever. So I'm staying at Yasmin's house. And because I'm probably going to feel really awkward at her house, so, I feel comfortable at her house, but too awkward to make a video, I'm probably going to record one today or tomorrow, so then I can... This happens too often. I hear noises. Holy crap. Hello? Okay, that's all. See you tomorrow. Bye. This just in, I was talking to Bianca and I asked her to Skype and she's like, I'm far too frustrated. And I was like, why? I was like, I'm supposed to take photos on this video, but this guy is talking way too fast. You know what she's watching? She's having to watch a John Green Crash Course World History video. When I told her that I said I'd seen it for fun, she's like, oh, that's not sad at all. You kind of remind me of him. That's a compliment, definitely.